Hey you guys, I have a nice, cool, fun DIY for you. We're gonna go ahead and make these little bags really cute out of paper. So it was really cheap. I'm gonna use my big shot finally so you guys could take a look at it. Everybody has been asking me about this little machine, and let me tell you, ever since my husband bought it, I love it. I use it for everything. I make my own cards, I make my own letters, I make my thank you cards, and now I'm making my own little boxes. I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to make these little boxes, and I love them. These are going to be little goodie bags for my son's birthday party. And look at the steps. Add your paper, you add your die on top, and then you're going to go ahead and add your clear sheet on top as well. And I'm going to go ahead and add this little card just so I get all my paper here. I don't want to miss any little piece. I want to just go ahead and make a couple extra things just to have them there while I make these little boxes. Once it's all set and put together, you're just going to run it through the little machine, and it's super easy. So go ahead and just run it through the machine. Look at how easy that is. The mat moves, but it doesn't matter. And once you ran it through the machine, all you have to do is take it out, and you're going to see how easy that just cut the whole thing. Lift it, take out your die cut, and look at how easy it just cuts everything. Is so fast, and I love using it. I'm going to go ahead and punch this out just so I show you. Look at how it made a little balloon. Isn't that cute? You can use that for cards. I'm going to go ahead and take out the card as well just to show you how easy it is to use this machine. And let me tell you, once you use it, you're going to love it. I make all my custom cards this way, and I could put exactly what I want in each card. And look at that card. It's perfect for Father's Day. Now, let me show you the main thing is the box. Look at how easy it cut it. And then look at, all I have to do is bend it where the lines are and just assemble it. It's super easy, and it's going to come out really pretty for his little goodie bags. And I can't wait to put them together. Now, I did red, blue, and orange. So these are the colors I'm using because I will be doing Sonic the Hedgehog. That's the theme. So all I'm doing is bending it where it needs to be bended. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my double stick tape, and I'm going to just assemble these little boxes. It's super easy. Once you make one, you can make them any color, any pattern, for Mother's Day, for Easter, for a birthday, anything you can make them. So they're super easy to make, and they really are really pretty. And that's how the box is going to go. So don't worry. I'm going to go ahead and use my double stick tape just to tape them together, and it holds very well. Nothing falls apart. It's super strong and sturdy, so don't worry about anything. It's going to hold everything together. I'm going to add my tape, and then you peel off the first layer, and it leaves the tape attached. Then I'm going to attach the box. Super easy. Just follow the line of the stencil that the die cut made for you. And look at how easy that is. Go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. Add your double stick tape and tape it together. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And I'm also going to link my link that I have for Instagram down below. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram so I can show you the latest pictures and how the whole party came out. I might actually post a couple pictures of the party so you guys could take a look of the decorations and how I put everything together and how easy and simple it was and affordable, because I already had this cardstock paper, so I really didn't spend anything on these little goodie bags. They were basically free. All I'm going to do is tape it together, and you have your little bag. Look at how cute that is. Now I'm going to put the bottom together as well, just so you take a look at it. Look at how cute that is. That's perfect for any kids party, any adult party, a bridal shower, a birthday party, a wedding, a gift, a thank you gift, a baby shower gift. These little boxes are adorable. And let me tell you, I love them and I can't wait to make them again. Now I'm going to add a little piece of tape at the bottom just to hold everything and seal it together. And it actually holds very well. Once I have the amount, cut it with your scissors and go ahead and peel it off and just put it all together. Once you peeled it off, just go ahead and finish it off and you have a little box that is adorable, ready to be filled in, and a great size to give anybody as a gift. Now, once you have your little boxes together, go ahead and make the rest. I'm going to show you really quick. Look at how cute it came out. Once you make one, it goes super fast. I'm going to go ahead and assemble a blue one for you and an orange one as well. Well, it's kind of orange. It's like a gold orange, but it's going to look very pretty once it's done. Go ahead and use your double stick tape, and we're going to do the same steps that we did for the red box to the blue box, so it's really easy. Add your tape, cut it with your scissors, peel your tape off, and attach it to the next paper. So yeah, look at what I have on the side. I have the little heads that I ordered for these little boxes. It's going to be so cute once it's put together. They are adorable. Make sure you tape it on the right time, the right size, side. And just go ahead and just shape your little boxes. The pattern is right under because the Big Shot gives you the whole thing, so you don't have to suffer. Really easy to assemble. And I'm going to go ahead and add it with a couple of goodies. And I'm sure the kids are going to love it. Once they have their little box to go home with, or you can give it to them during the party and they could just eat their stuff while they party. So it's really optional. It's really easy. And I'm really happy that I decided to make them. This is the first time that I make these kind of little boxes. I usually order them or buy them. But guess what? It was just cheaper to make them. And I love saving a good dollar. Go ahead and just attach it together. Press on it with your hands. And your box is shaped. Look at how easy that was. Super easy. And now go ahead and do the bottom as well. Go ahead and I'm just putting in the bottom a thicker piece of tape just in case I want it to hold very well. Whatever I add in there, I don't want it to move, break, or bend. But trust me, it did not move, break, or bend. It held up very well. I'm just going to go ahead and peel it. And there you go. I have now a little blue bag. It is adorable. And now let's go ahead and make the orange one. Now I love this little orange paper. It actually looks more orange in person, but that's okay. We're going to do the same exact steps. Now the little heads that I have on the side, I got them from Etsy, just in case anybody wants to know. The Sonic the Hedgehog, Knuckles, and I think the other one's called Tails, something like that, his little friends. But yeah, I got them from Etsy just in case you want to go ahead and get them. They come in a 12 pack, so they were perfect for these little bags. I'm just going to add them on there. They're perfect to make a centerpiece, which I already made a centerpiece. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below in case you want to go check out the centerpiece and also the hats. I made the hats myself, so I'm going to link those down below as well. So you can go ahead and check them out. I'll link the whole thing together so you can see how the party came out. And I'll also post pictures on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, so you could check out all the pictures of the party and see how it came together. It's going to look really nice once I put it all together, and I just can't wait. So make sure you have your double stick tape, and you're going to do the same thing, and we're almost done with these little boxes. And they're really cute. You can put so many little things in there. They're perfect to give a friend, a co-worker. You can make these in different colors, different patterns, any kind of paper you have. These boxes are going to look so adorable. And let me tell you, people are going to think you brought them and you made them, because that's how nice they look. They look nicer in person. So I'm going to attach this together. Take your time when you're making these little crafts. Don't be in a hurry. Sit down, take your time, and just assemble everything together and just make it look really nice and neat. And now we're going to do the bottom, the same steps. Add a thicker piece of double stick tape to the bottom, and then you are ready to move on to the next step. Look how simple that is. Peel it off and you're done. And there you go. You have these adorable little boxes. I'm happy I shared this idea with you. It is really cute, and I can't wait to make them for different occasions. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this burlap string that I got from burlapfabrics.com. I'll link their link down below as well, so you can go ahead and check out that website. And I already pre-cut them. All I'm going to do is tie a knot so the string doesn't come out. So go ahead and tie 1 to 2 knots so the string doesn't come out. If you have a thicker string, go ahead and use that. You can also use ribbon. You can use regular burlap. It's optional. You can use anything you want just to make these little bags look more adorable. And let me tell you, the string hold on perfect. You could grab them from the string, or you can just grab them from the bottom. But they do not break, and they held up beautifully. So go ahead and tie your knot. Do 1 to 2 knots to each bag, just so the string does not come out. The holes were already pre-made. As you saw, the die cut already had them, or the die already had them, so I didn't have to worry about them. I didn't have to use a hole puncher. It turned out perfect, and look at how well they hold. Once you have them, grab them from the inside, and all you're going to do is cut off any excess string that's hanging out, just so it looks nicer. And there you go. You have a little handle. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Do 1 to 2 knots. It's better to be safe than sorry, or rip anything. So just do it right the first time. Do the same thing on the other side. And look at how cute they are. These bags are so cute. They are really adorable. I'm so happy I purchased this die. It is one of my favorite ones so far that I've been loving lately. I just love it. Go ahead and cut any of the excess string, and you have a little bag ready for whatever you want to add in there. Look at how adorable that is. Look at how cute. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I already pre-made the rest, so look at how adorable they are. This is the blue one. I made a ton of the red one and a couple of the orange. Now you can add the little faces right onto your bags, which is exactly what I'm going to do. You can glue them. You can use double stick tape. You can use glue dots. You can use anything you want to add them to the bag. And look at how cute they look. Look at how gorgeous that's going to come out. When your kids see this, they're going to be so happy. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add Hershey Kisses. So I thought this would be great to add to these little boxes. Plus, what the kids only want the candy. I'm sorry, they don't even care for the toys anymore. They throw them on the floor. They forget them at the party. But what they really want is the candy. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all these little boxes with Hershey Kisses. You can fill them up with anything you want. But I thought this was an adorable idea. And I'm really happy I did it. Fill it all the way to the top. That way they get the whole little bag full of kisses. If you want to go ahead and make these for the adults, I'm sure the adults would love that idea as well. And I'm sure they're going to ask you for one anyways, because you know how those parties go. So go ahead and fill them to the top. I grabbed the kisses at Target. You can also pick them up at Walmart. Walmart has them for really cheap. Or go ahead at Sam's. Whatever, go ahead and make sure before you pick them up that you research where they're cheaper before you pick them up. That way you get more money, more out of your money. You want to make sure you're always saving $1, no matter how. So just go ahead and fill them to the top, and they are adorable. Now, for the people that don't like regular, I have dark chocolate, and I decided to get these Reese's Thins, which are one of my favorite right now. And I'm going to add this for the people that don't like regular chocolate and eat dark chocolate. I thought this was a great idea as a substitute. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 of them or 5 to a bag, whatever fits. And whoever wants a little bit of dark chocolate instead of regular, that's what they're getting. So now for the little heads, let's go ahead and add them on here. How fun is this? They're going to look so adorable. I can't wait till they look at them. I'm going to go ahead and use a double stick tape because it holds out pretty well. And I love this idea. So I'm going to go ahead and mix and match them. So I'm going to go ahead and put tails on the red one, because I didn't want to do every color. I'm going to put Sonic on the orange just so it pops. And I'm going to put Knuckles on the blue. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this quick idea of how I made my little goodie bags, which I'm so happy I did. They are so cute. I can't wait to make some more. So go ahead and make your own. Let me know if you do. Tag me on Instagram if you do. I would love to see what you came up with or how you put your own spin on it. You can leave them plain if you want. You don't have to put the faces on there. But I thought it would look way better if I added the little faces. And it actually looks very cute. I'm very happy with the final results. So you could do the face or do it plain. It's optional depending on what you're going for. But my kid is going to be so happy I did. And I'm so happy I did. They came out super cute. And I hope you make your own. And they're just plain adorable. So go ahead and make your own. And until next time, bye you guys.